Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I made chocolate chip vanilla eggless cupcakes. This was requested by one of my subscribers. So for her I made this cupcake and today my video is going to be in English. I know many of you watch my baking videos, so language is the main problem for them. They don't understand my actual language, so I thought I would make this video in English today. These cupcakes, if you follow my recipe and do exactly what I have shown here, 100% sure that you'll get the best ever cupcakes in IFB oven. Yes, let's get started. Firstly, I'm taking here half cup of curd. The curd is of room temperature, so I'm taking half cup of curd. I will also give the measurements in grams in the description box. Please do check. I'm adding soda to the curd and I'm mixing it. Gently mix it. You can see that the aeration in the curd, it begins to lighten. Curd and baking soda. This process makes it a bit light. I'm mixing it and keeping it for 2 to 3 minutes until we prepare the batter for the cupcakes. You need to mix it well and keep it aside. Next I am going to take a bowl and now I am going to add the sugar. I am taking sugar here. I will give it in the measurements in the description box. Half cup of sugar actually, and also 60 grams of butter. Actually you can take half butter and half oil. Here I am taking 40 grams of butter and 20 grams of oil. So totally it is 60 grams. I am mixing it well because I don't have castor sugar here, so I have taken granulated sugar. You can also grind the sugar in mixie and you can take the sugar powder instead of sugar. Here I am mixing it well until it gets dissolved, not completely, at least partially. Now I am adding the curd mixture, curd and the baking powder mixture. I am adding it to the sugar and butter mix. Combine all the wet ingredients well. Now I am adding the vanilla essence. Half teaspoon of vanilla essence is more than enough. So I am adding only half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Today, as per her request, I am making the vanilla cupcake. And after that, you need to add the dry ingredients. Yes, I am taking a maida today. Here is my daughter. She is mixing. She wants to say hi to you all guys. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And next, now I am adding the dry ingredients into it. You sieve it properly before you mix it. So I am taking 1 cup of maida and half teaspoon of baking powder. You should take a half teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Sieve it well. I am also taking a pinch of salt here. Mix it properly. I mean, don't over mix it. Just gently mix it with a spatula or a wooden spoon. While mixing, you will feel that batter is becoming hard. So I am adding only 2 tablespoons of milk here. After mixing it properly, it became a little bit smooth. At this time, I added only 1.5 tablespoon of milk here to make it little bit runny and again mixed for a while. See here in IFB convection microwave oven, the preheating process is completely different when compared to the other ovens. Many of you sometimes fail how to do the preheating and your cake might turn hard or dense or sometimes even unbaked. So follow me. I will show you how to preheat the oven. Do follow the instructions carefully and you will really get the perfect cupcakes for your Christmas season. Batter is ready. Now I am going to show you how to preheat the oven. Mine is IFB convection oven. See, my oven is empty here. Here you can see the convection button. Please press this button until you find 150 degrees centigrade and click the start button. Now the oven is getting preheated. You can see the PREH blinking here. That means our oven is getting preheated. Actually it shows 29 minutes, but in 2 to 3 minutes the oven will be preheated. How you'll know that oven is preheated? Once the oven is preheated, the preheat option will stop blinking and one sound will come. Like beep sound will be coming from the oven. That our oven is ready to bake. See, I am taking the cupcake molds. I don't have the cupcake molds right now. I am taking paper liners. With the help of an ice cream scoop, I am taking the batter in an equal quantity. So I am just taking 1 scoop in every cupcake liner. Don't have the ice cream scoop, no problem. With the help of a spoon or something you can just pour it down, but keep in mind that you have to fill only the halfway of the liner because it is going to come out of the liner. If you fill full, then it may be overfilled and it may come out of the liner. Here are my cupcakes. With this batter I got 8 cupcakes, so I filled 8 molds. And now my daughter is adding chocolate chips on the top. You can also add dry fruits or nut, tutti frutti, whatever you prefer to. Now here I am adding choco chips. So after adding, I will keep directly it into the preheated oven. While making this process, my oven got preheated. You can see here PREH, preheat option is stopped. And now I will open the oven. Now the time is showing empty here, blank time. So you have to set that. That is the time when we get to know that our oven is preheated. Now I am keeping the tray inside the oven and giving the time. You can see here. If the preheat function is still on, it will show like this. I am setting time up to 30 minutes. I clicked the start button. My kid is so much excited to see the cupcakes. I know it will turn out really good. Let me show you after I finish. I have given 30 minutes time, but in the middle I just checked whether it is baked or not after 20 minutes. So the total time for 8 cupcake was 22 minutes at the 150 degrees temperature. I mean 22 minutes my cupcake was completely done. You can see here. Now I am clicking the stop button. You'll find the sound from the oven. That is nothing but the oven is getting ready to cool down. So for 3 minutes you'll be getting that sound. No worries. Actually our oven is pretty hot, so it needs to be cooled down. Here are my cupcakes, little bit cracked but no problem. The taste was awesome, really well. If you want to try it, please do try it with exact measurements and the time and temperature what you have shown here. My kids love it whenever I do a cupcake. Let me know the review from my kids.
Cake is ready.
She loved it and my Rio was also very much excited to taste the cupcake.
Oh, it's very hot. Wait for some time now. It's very hot.
Look at here, the cupcakes turned out so good. It really came out of the cupcake liner just like that. You can see here, it's actually made without egg. So definitely do try it for this Christmas season. If you have the IFB oven like me and you face the trouble making the cupcakes or cakes in this oven, please do subscribe to my channel and do check the other videos also. I have a list of baking videos in my channel using the IFB oven. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day, happy Christmas and a happy new year ahead. Bye.
Have a bite. Oh no. Rio. No, sit down, sit down. Rate me out of 10. How much can you give?
10 out of 10, Mom.
Oh, thank you. Bye. Say bye to the viewers. Rio. Bye, Rio. Ah, Rio Jarata. Tinesvada. Even our Rio liked it. Rio, idigo, తీసుకో. Hope you liked it. Bye.